and welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how I was able to prepare this beautiful pot of egusi soup with bitter leaf without squeezing out the juice of the bitter leaf. Sounds strange, right? No, I'm going to show you the proper and correct way of making delicious egusi soup without removing the juice. Bitter leaf is a very common plant in tropical Africa. It is used mostly in soups and traditional medicine. It is known for its unique bitter taste. The juice contains a lot of properties which are very good and very important for the body. It helps to lower blood sugar, which is very good in management of diabetes. It also contains some antioxidant and anti-inflammatory property which is good for liver health. It helps to boost immunity and it also helps to lower cholesterol in the body. So combined leaf and egusi is a hearty and delicious Nigerian dish. So I hope after watching this video you are not going to throw away your bitter leaf again, because I'm going to show you how to prepare the bitter leaf in such a way that bitterness will not be noticed in the soup. So let's get into the video right away. So we'll be needing some dry fish or stock fish depending on whichever one you have at home. Then some red oil, seasoning cubes, 2 cups of melon blended in, protein depending on whatever you have. You can use fish, meat or chicken. There are main ingredients, which is the bitter leaf, then some blended peppers which contains tomatoes, onions and pepper, then locust beans which is optional. So wash your bitter leaf thoroughly in clean water to avoid sand and any insects. Then cut into sizes of your choice. Remember, we are not squeezing out any water. Just wash thoroughly and keep aside. We are cooking our bitter leaf without removing any water because the water is needed for something important. So into a hot pot, put your red oil and reduce your source of it. Do not over bleach your oil, it's not healthy for the body. Without doing that, just pour some egusi which you already mixed with little water to form a thick paste into a hot oil and start frying. Start forming a lump. Depending on how big you want your lumps to be, that's how you stir. You can decide to leave so that the lumps can be big. At this point, add your locust beans. Some people don't like eating their locust beans are big, but me, I love it. So you can decide to just grind your locust beans, still the same thing. Add your pepper mix. As you can see, I've already pre-cooked the pepper mix to make my cooking faster. There, everything to cook together. The soup is already looking good. Then add your stock fish. Always wash your stock fish with warm water and salt. This will help to soften it and remove any insect or any form of preservative used. Add some water to your soup at this point for cooking. So you can add more, you can add less depending on the quantity of your soup and how thick or how light you want your soup to be. So you can also add some beef stock or chicken stock or meat stock, anything you have at home. Just add to the soup for taste and can be enjoyed with anything. You can see the oil coming out. This is original egusi soup. Add your meat or chicken, any protein of your choice to the soup at this point. But remember, if you are using fish, you can't just be stirring like this, it will easily break. So if you are using fish, you are not going to add very early because you will not see anything to it. Add your seasoning cubes. I used to can add more depending on the quantity of whatever you are cooking. I did not add salt to this soup because that meat stock you saw was really concentrated. At the end of the cooking, I can decide to taste if they need any adjustments. So you should too. Once you add your bitter leaf, do not stir for at least 10 minutes until you are convinced the bitter leaf is well cooked and well incorporated into the cooking. Just pour the bitter leaf inside and cover for straight 10 minutes without opening. After that, you can open, taste adjust if you have to add some more water, if you are going to add a little salt or add some seasoning cube. So that's it. The soup is ready. Once the soup is well cooked and has that rich and thick consistency, remove it from the fire and serve with any preferred swallow or rice. It goes well with amala, plantain, pounded yam, semo, garri. Just mention anything, but you trust your girl now. I'm not going to disappoint you because I enjoyed this soup on your behalf with 6 wraps of fufu. So guys, thanks for watching my video. I really appreciate you for staying till this time. Kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you don't get to miss any interesting videos as this, because new video drops every week. See you on the next. Bye.